Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a Jacquemus and Amina Muaddi unboxing. I have two amazing things to show you guys, and I cannot wait for you to see the things that I got. I feel like you're gonna like them. I mean, I definitely like them, so I feel like you're gonna like them. I actually got the Jacquemus package a long time ago, but I've just been waiting. I've been waiting for like the perfect time to show you guys, and I feel like this is it. Now that it's been like probably over a month at this point, somehow this is the perfect timing. So I can't wait to show you guys what I got from both places. So if you want to see what I got from Jacquemus and Amina Muaddi, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like luxury unboxings, handbags, shoes, jewelry, things like that, I think this is where you're gonna wanna be, so definitely subscribe if you're not already, and definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Very active, kind of too active, I think, if you ask me. So definitely follow me if you like that kind of content. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. We're gonna be using Alana's safety scissors, and you can see it says her name right there. Boom. Because I actually brought like the Big Daddy scissors in here, and I have no idea where I put them. I can't find them. So they're in here somewhere, but you know, I don't know where. So I'm gonna open up the smaller package first, which I am like 90% positive is the Jacquemus item. So I actually got this from Monnier Paris, probably Monnier Paris, I don't know, I'm gonna leave it here. And that's because this is the only place that I could find this item. So I actually found this item first on Farfetch. They sold out and I literally could not find them anywhere except for Monnier Paris. God, these safety scissors are like half useless. Okay, she is open. I got a little thank you note from Monnier, and apparently they have some type of Coach collaboration. I don't know. Here is my Jacquemus box, and you probably, I don't know, I feel like you can tell what it is just by the size of it, like at least the type of thing that it is, but I don't think anyone would know because I have not seen this on anybody, not one person. So introducing my new Jacquemus, damn that's big, my new Jacquemus earrings. So you guys know I already own a pair of Jacquemus earrings and I really freaking love them. I'll put a video that I'm wearing them up here. I am huge into custom jewelry for earrings, just not from like expensive designers or anything like that. I usually just buy them from like Fashion Nova or like Shein, like I don't care. But these I thought were special. I'm sorry, I'm taking them out of the thing. I'm not just, you know, I'm trying to stall here. So this is the pair of earrings. One of them is like a hollowed out circle. So it's like a hoop. I will try them on at some point. And this one is like a hollowed out square. So there are different earrings, and that is just like, that is what I think is so cool about some Jacquemus earrings. Like the other pair that I own is literally like a stud and then this huge earring, and I think it's so freaking cool to have like a mismatched moment. Let me stop being a turd. I'm just gonna try them on now. Oh shit, this is stuck in my hair. Oh God, oh God. Honestly, the amount of things that get stuck in my hair on a daily basis, it's ridiculous. These, by the way, I believe are from Fashion Nova. I will leave the link in the description box. Oh, fuck. If you also want to get your hair literally pulled out. Can you see that? I mean, not that I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it literally pulled out my hair like. Oh, it says Jacquemus there. That's so cool. You probably will not be able to see it. Oh, maybe you can. Right there. It says Jacquemus. Ear hole. ¿Dónde estás? It also says Jacquemus on the little like. This is the back of the earring. It also says Jacquemus. Again, I hope you guys saw that. Also, the backs of the earrings correspond to like the shape, if that makes sense. So this back was a circle and this one is a square, and it does also say Jacquemus. Here they are. I will, by the way, leave the name, the exact name of the earrings here because I don't know by the top of my head. Also, I got this a very long time ago. I can just pull my hair up a little bit. Does that even help? Probably not. I love them so much. I feel like they're such a statement piece and like a conversation starter. Like, oh, did you notice my circle and square earrings? I just love mismatched earrings, and this pair is gorgeous. I'm so happy that I finally have them in my hands. So I'm gonna take them off, which sucks because I don't really want to, but they don't really match, you know what I'm saying? So the other box is obviously from Amina Muaddi, so you pretty much know what type of thing it is. If you guys missed my other unboxing where I unboxed my first ever pair of Amina Muaddis, I'll leave that right here. If you guys didn't see that unboxing, I ended up returning one of the pairs of shoes. I wrote it in the description box which pair of shoes I returned from that video. And the color of those shoes, I don't want to give it away just in case you didn't see the video yet. The color of those shoes were very like intentional. Like I needed a pair of shoes in that color, but the one that I got just didn't fit me. And instead of just getting the same pair again, I decided to get a different pair of shoes in the same color because like I said, I still need a pair of shoes in this color. So safety scissors out, let's do this. Power Rangers, go. All right, I think we've got her kind of open enough. Yes, okay. So this box is actually from Moda Operandi. Oh my God, this is the worst. I don't know how to speak in the slightest. I think that's how you say it, Moda Operandi. Again, I will leave it on the screen. I don't even know what the reason was that I bought these from there. I think I just, like I saw them there and I was like, okay, and so I bought them. I really don't have like a specific reason, but here's my little receipt. I love this color purple. It just says what I got, the size, the price, etc. I placed this order on September 12th. Today, the day that I'm filming this is September, shut up, wait. Order date September 12th. Today is September like 17th. That was so fast. Oh no, my mic fell. Oh no, man down. We've got a bunch of tissue paper and then we have the beautiful Amina Muaddi box. So I'm curious what you guys think I got. I mean, if you did see that video that I unboxed the 3 pairs of shoes, you probably know the color that I'm talking about, but I don't think you know the style. Let's open her up together, guys. Okay. It doesn't matter because there's a dust bag on top. Then under that, I'm trying to lift, this is on my knee, and I'm trying to lift my knee as much as possible so you guys can actually see the full unboxing. I see it already. Hello? Leo, buddy, mommy's busy. What? It's not working, the door's locked. On the inside are these beautiful freaking shoes. So these are the Lupita Mules, and I got mine in like, I think this is a terry cloth material. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see. I'm sure that you will. It's like a fuzzy material. I feel like a mule right now is just winning. Okay, I see mules coming out. Hold on, let me move this tissue paper. I feel like my mic is gonna be all messed up. I feel like all I see are companies coming out with mules. It's all about the mule right now, okay? If you have like a strap on the back of your shoe, like you're not it. I swear to God, this is what I'm saying. So I was interested in a mule. And I also feel like textured shoes are very in right now, and this is about as much texture as I can handle. Like I'm not doing, you know, those Bottega shoes that are like a towel material. This is not exactly a towel material. It is, I would say similar, but it's not, you know, to the extreme. I also felt like this color was the most similar to my baby Lady Dior, which is the reason that I chose them as well. So here is the micro Lady Dior and here is the shoe. This color is damn close. It's not the same. This one has like a touch more red to it, but it's so freaking close, and I'm just so excited to finally pair the two together. I didn't not get the Manolos again because I didn't like them. I just felt like, okay, like I had them, I tried them on, like I've already had my experience with them, and like I'm ready to try a different pair of shoes. I hope that these shoes, because they are this like material, can keep my little piggies warm because it's about to be winter. Well, okay, it's about to be fall, not winter. Let's not be dramatic. But it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold here in New York. So I just need them to help me out and just keep me like a little warm, you know? That's it, just a little bit. But yeah, those are the 2 items that I recently picked up from Jacquemus and Amina Muaddi. Let me know which one is your guys' favorite. Which one do you like the most? Which one are you like, why did you even pick that up? Definitely let me know in the comments. I am curious. I would like to know. Are there any shoes or costume jewelry pieces that are on your wish list right now? Let me know that as well. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. The sun is about to set though, and I'm stressed out about the fact that I have not taken outfit pictures yet. It's literally, like my window is open and I can just see the settage.